Hello everyone, welcome to our practice session on the Build a Sentence task. This exercise is vital for mastering TOEFL grammar and cohesion. We are going to analyze a context sentence to understand the logical flow, and then I will show you exactly how to piece together scrambled words into a perfect high-scoring sentence. Let's dive in and sharpen those writing skills. If you want to keep improving your score, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more daily lessons. Let's continue working together to reach your English goals. The Writing Center helps students with their essays. The context sentence explains how the Writing Center provides a specific service to learners. Because the first sentence focuses on students getting help, we should expect the following sentence to identify the specific people performing that action. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the definite article the. Then, we add the subject tutors. Next, we need the main verb help. Following that, we place the object students. Then, we add the preposition with. Next, we include the possessive their, Then, we place the adjective writing. Finally, we add the noun assignments. Mount Vesuvius erupted and buried the city of Pompeii. This context describes how a volcanic eruption buried a famous city in history. Logically, the next sentence should move the narrative forward by discussing what happened later, such as the discovery of items left behind. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the subject archaeologists. Then, we add the past tense verb found. Next, we place the quantifier many. After that, we add the adjective preserved. Then, we place the noun artifacts. Next, we add the preposition beneath. Then, we place the article the. Finally, we add the noun ash. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. The context sentence introduces a famous telephone and its creator. Since we are discussing a new invention, we expect the next sentence to describe the specific utility or function of this technology. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the demonstrative adjective this. Then, we add the noun device. Next, we need the verb allowed. Following that, we place the object people. Then, we add the infinitive marker to. Next, we place the base verb communicate. After that, we add the preposition over. Then, we place the adjective long. Finally, we add the noun distances. Students can check out laptops from the library desk. The context sentence mentions that students can borrow items from a library desk. When discussing borrowing services, the next logical step is usually to state the requirements or deadlines for returning the items. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the subject you. Then, we add the modal must. Next, we place the main verb return. After that, we add the article the. Then, we place the noun equipment. Next, we add the preposition by. Then, we place the adverb tomorrow. Finally, we add the noun morning. The Volga River is the longest river in Europe. This context identifies a specific geographical feature, the Volga River. In a logical sequence, we should expect further details about its flow or its destination in the following sentence. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the demonstrative this. Then, we add the adjective long. Next, we place the noun river. After that, we add the verb flows. Then, we place the preposition into. Next, we add the article the. Then, we place the adjective southern. After that, we add the proper noun Caspian. Finally, we add the noun sea. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence. The context sentence introduces a historical document written by Thomas Jefferson. The next sentence should naturally explain what that document achieved or what its primary message was. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the article the. Then, we add the noun document. Next, we place the verb declared. After that, we add the article the. Then, we place the noun colonies. Next, we add the adjective free. Then, we place the preposition from. After that, we add the adjective British. Finally, we add the noun rule. Chemistry students must wear lab coats during class, but the context sentence establishes a rule about wearing safety lab coats. We should expect the next sentence to elaborate on why this rule exists or how this equipment protects the students. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the adjective protective. Then, we add the noun gear. Next, we place the verb protects. After that, we add the object students. Then, we place the preposition from. Next, we add the adjective harmful. After that, we place the adjective chemical. Finally, we add the noun spills. The Hawaiian Islands formed from underwater volcanic activity. This context sentence explains the geological origin of the Hawaiian Islands. It is logical that the following sentence will describe a current characteristic of these islands, such as their popularity with visitors. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the article the, then we add the adjective active. Next, we place the noun volcanoes. After that, we add the verb attract. Then we place the number millions. Next, we add the preposition of. After that, we place the noun tourists. Then, we add the quantifier every. Finally, we add the noun year. To succeed in the Build a Sentence task, always identify the subject and verb first to establish a solid grammatical foundation. Ensure that you transition logically from the context sentence by looking for thematic links. Finally, double-check that all modifiers and prepositions are placed correctly for natural English phrasing.